So it's been a few days later, and now I have completed stages 2 and 3. So we'll pan over here to stage 2, where I left off, just in front of the dryer. That is now completed. It is back in its spot, and it's no longer sitting on its crappy wood planks, because I've used these pretty cool little floor savers. They're hardwood floor sliders, so you can move furniture and appliances around very easily. And in this place, I just stack them up to help out with the leveling legs, and so that's now in its spot. So that's pretty cool. And then stage 2 ended right about here, where you can see the joints coming to a gather here. And then today, Friday, December whatever it is, I completed stage 3, which was getting the freezer out of the way. I once again used the sliders. So I got 2 on each leg on the front. So there's 2 there, there's 2 over there, and there's a single set in the back. So that levels the freezer very nicely. And then since this was the end of the floor, I just happened to find a little piece of crappy bullnose edge to finish off the floor. There's not much of a gap, but it's enough to, so the floor can float and do what it needs to do. And it's just a little section, just just about middle of the freezer to just short of the dryer. But it's all that I see from my little perch, so that's all that needs to be done. Like I said, this place is no Taj Mahal. And then probably tomorrow I'll put the plate back on that little support right there. Just a double-sided plate. I won't bother putting that back in that section there. I'll just leave it open so I can shove the wires out of the way. And all I got to do is put some more stuff back in the coming days that were once on the floor. And I got to get a couple more sliders so I can move the microscope around in case I need to get it out or something like that. It's got little rubber feet on it, but it's easier with the sliders. And then all I got to do is do something with this garbage and put the printer back. But other than that, 5 days, the floor is complete. I'm happy. I like the color. It should last, a good long time for me. And then I got my glass plates in. These are the tempered glass mats. And for the final stage, I put the little anti-slip pads on, since these are pretty much set where they're going to be. So other than that, that's it for this little project. Took me about 5 days. A couple hours a day, 3-4 hours a day, and it's all done. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.